Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to solve the visual problem of the LS-Prepost. So as you can see here, when you open the LS-Prepost, you see some blurry color on the screen. This is the graphic card related issues. So I'm going to show you how to solve this problem. First, you go to your setting and then click on system and display, and then you go to graphics. Here you can see browse. So you browse the app and then you search for the locations. So here my LS-Prepost is installed here in profile. Is here, you can see. So here is the latest version. So I already set it up. Now I'm going to select this one because this one is actually the previous one that I shown you. Okay, now click on this one, click on add. Okay, wait, ls, yeah, this is the application file. Then click on add, and then you click on option, and then you click on high performance. Okay, yes. Now you go and open this one again. You will see, yes, now the screen has changed. Okay,